Goddamn, it's about that time to go on and drop the filling in my pie crust. Goddamn, he's freshly homemade pie crust. Goddamn me. Okay, so right here I just got done doing my mix and my blending. Goddamn me, as y'all can see, that's where I whip my eggs and stuff up in that bowl down there. All my liquid products. Right here we have it. Sweet potato filling right here, goddamn me. Pie crust waiting. See, I got my butter down soaking in there. All we waiting on is the filling. Got my oven already preheating at 350, goddamn me. Here we go. Okay. Go ahead and drop that in like that. Kind of stir it around a little bit. Make sure it's evening out between the pie crust. You don't want it too high. You want it kind of in medium. So you even all the way around perfectly like that. Start on the second one, repeating the process. Goddamn me, yummy, 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 yummy. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, I'm just gonna pick that puppy up. Well, I'll worry about that in a minute, but yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Y'all ain't see that. Okay, well, let me pause the video because I gotta get that. Okay, back to it. I fixed it, you all. Don't laugh at me, but that just goes to show even chefs makes mistakes. So yeah, now like I was saying, you pour the filling in the second pie crust, and make sure you got some very stationary up under it so you don't drop your pie crust like I just did. The whole damn pie, goddamn me. But like I was saying, yummy, 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 yummy. And that's pretty much how you do homemade sweet potato pie from scratch. Everything but the crust. But the next video, I'm going to show y'all how I make and toss and press my homemade pie crust as well. Okay. Let's get that down around even. This is about to be yummy. Okay. Yummy.